It's all better. It's all better.
Chris, what do you got foiled? Second go, third?
Third.
It's all better, buddy, huh? Hi. Say ya ya.
250 feet ways.
Who's that for?
Ya ya. Ya ya. Oh, say Brooklyn. Brooklyn.
When you get the dirt, you gotta smoke a lot of it.
We're videoing.
I'll edit that out. I love Lucian. It'll come in like.
When you got that dirt, you gotta smoke a lot of it. Here's the Billy Bob Thornton impression.
Give me it. Give it back to me. Give it back to me. Give it back to me. Give it back to me.
And then you got walk toward 95th. What is this, like live feed on the
Criminals.
Yeah, just don't write to Facebook right now.
How does that taste? How does that taste? How does that taste? How does that taste?
Okay, this PJs.
Okay.
Jar, but it's a jar before he goes to bed.
What about turn this off for a second, please?
Because he really didn't have dinner.